Hey guys, Andrew here from Calvert Sports Cards. Got a couple of Upper Deck Series 2 hockey products that we're going to open today. This is my first time opening one of these tins, and then I've got another one of these jumbo blaster boxes here. I'm going to start with the blaster box because that comes with, the reason why I said it's jumbo is it comes with the jumbo Young Gun card. So we'll get into this. I've opened one of these before. But I have not opened one of the tins yet, so I wanted to crack one of those open today as well. All right, so here's the packs, and here is our jumbo Young Gun. It is Pius Suter from Blackhawks. So I have a standard card, regular size, but got a jumbo card as well. So. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs plus the jumbo card. Ooh, both of these are backwards. Not sure what to make of that. I've never seen that before, where half of these are backward. Okay, well. Matthews, Crosby. I thought maybe one of those was going to be like a limited number, but it looks like it's just a packing error. So full base pack there. Again. So it must be a packing error with this box. That some of these are in the packs backwards. So we got our 2 inserts here. I don't have this Young Gun yet. And we also got Connor Ingram, who has a Young Gun in Series 1. And then a couple of base cards here. So we got a Dazzler and a Young Gun double insert pack there. Kind of strange that all of these are, yep. Gonna guess it's gonna be all of them here. Matt Roy, Giroux, Nyquist, Sorelli, Beauvillier, Tierney. So another all base pack. Not really what we're looking for. But yeah, I picked these up at Walmart today. I wanted to get a tin, but they had this blaster as well. I figured I would just scoop up both. This is not going very well. Carey Price, Slavin, Monahan, Hagelin, Filppula, Stahl, Roman Josi, and Ryan Getzlaf. I hope this isn't like a mistake where they're not not any inserts. Oh, here we go. Ryan Ellis, UD Canvas, and Roman Josi award winners. Brendan Smith, Fasca, Khudobin, Schwartz, Sorensen, and Capo Caco. Okay, last pack out of the blaster. We've opened up a handful of these already, so I've kind of blown through it, and then we'll check out the tin here for the first time on the channel. All right, so we got another Brandon Crawley. I've got a couple of these Young Guns. Plays for the Rangers. Maroon, Vertanen, Checklist, Nuge, and Vasilevsky. So not the best blaster box, to be fair, but really wanted to get into this. Let's see, so you get 3 OPG rookies. It's 10 packs in the tin, 8 cards per pack, plus the rookies inside. So here is the rookies. Very similar to the Mega Box that you get the 3 bonus cards in. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm guessing they count this as one of the 10 packs, which is kind of unfortunate, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's only 9 normal packs, and then the OPG pack, which we'll save for last. These are a little sticky. Try to open it from the bottom. If not, we'll use the knife. There we go. Hopefully these are packaged properly. There we go. Pierre-Luc Dubois, Aho, Armia. We got Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, UD Canvas, Stahl, Yossi, and Getzlaff. I'm not sure why these are giving me some trouble opening these. There we go. Vasca. Right, we got award winner Victor Hedman. Not really my favorite insert. Tierney, Ranta, and Filppula. So nothing too crazy so far. We filmed a baseball box break yesterday that went live this morning on YouTube. If you tuned into that, if you're part of that break, we'll be shipping those out in a couple days here. Let's see, probably Monday. We got Kane, Pollock, Platt. We got Cole Smith, young gun, for Predators, Barbison, and let's see here. Still nothing too crazy. I wanted to open this because I wanted to see if I prefer opening the tins or opening mega boxes. I wanted to buy a mega box and compare the two, but that wasn't an option today. We got Chase Prisky, rookie portraits, insert. I don't know why I can't get some of these open. We got Brendan Smith. We got a Dazzler here. Cirelli. We got Tuukka Rask Gold Dazzler. So we got Gold Dazzler in this one, and we got the green one in the blaster. Chris Drager, Subban, and Stepan. Dean, Jason, marquee rookies Victor Soderstrom with the Coyotes, Mantha, and Troy Terry round that out. We got a, looks like we got a young gun here. Hughes, and Dylan Cousins. This is actually one of the better young guns to get. So this is the second time I've pulled Dylan Cousins, but that's a pretty solid one. Jaden Schwartz, Sorensen, Capo Caco, and Sean Curley. All right, that's a pretty good one. That's probably the best pull so far between the two products. Got another young gun coming up here. Belmar, Vasilevsky, and Steven Lawrence. Have not pulled him yet. Don't know too much about him. Plays for the Hurricanes. Yeah, Steven Lawrence. Back-to-back young guns, though, so that's not bad. Hurricanes having a great season, so not sure how much he's doing or what he's got going on, but not going to complain with young guns. Can we get 3 in a row? Doesn't look like it. Oh, we got an Ovi. Ovi UD canvas. Nice. So a big Ovechkin fan. Brent Burns, Corey Perry, and Adam Bovequist to round that out. All right, this is the bonus pack that you get only in the tins here. You can see Stars player on the back here. So we got Bowen Byram. So the Stars player is actually a gold. Thomas Harley, Bowen Byram, and Connor McMichael. So that's pretty cool one as well. Not too sure what these are valued at. This gold is obviously a parallel. But yeah, so these are strictly in the tins. I think I like the bonuses for the Mega Box better. That's this, the rookie class. But I do like the tin inserts as well. So not too many inserts, but I'll recap it for you. We've got Brandon Crawley, Young Gun, Roman Josi Award winner, Ryan Ellis, UD Canvas, Connor Ingham Dazzler, Lucas Vegemo, hopefully I said that right, probably not, with Montreal, Young Gun. Then these were the 3 inserts from the tin. UPG Glossy Rookie, McMichael, Bowen Byram, and Thomas Harley. We got an Ovechkin, UD Canvas, Steven Lawrence, Young Gun, Dylan Cousins, Young Gun, Soderstrom, Marquee Rookie, Tuukka Rask, Gold Dazzler, Chase Prisky, Portraits Rookie, Cole Smith, Young Gun, Victor Hedman Award winner, and Ryan Nugent-Hopkins UD Canvas. And then with the blaster, we got the Jumbo Young Gun of Pius Suter. So that's all we got for today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check us out on Facebook as well. Been breaking a lot of baseball cards. Hopefully going to get into other sports as well. But I mainly feature baseball and hockey. So until then, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.